Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm today next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and we can see that right after the market opening, okay, gold is showing some weakness. And if you look at the chart of DXY, you can also see that DXY has finally entered the zone. Right now, trading at 104.08. There may be some weakness during the day, but yes, due to the fundamentals, there is a good possibility that finally we may see DXY trading above 104.50 after some retracement. Okay, so my reference, okay, before I begin, okay, I have nothing new to talk about. If you already have watched the video that I uploaded on Saturday, then everything is same. And if you're new to the channel, if you're watching me for the first time, and if you're looking for detailed analysis, then also you can watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. I'll put on a link of the Saturday video on the comment section as well as on the description box. Okay, so my dear friends, the numbers were very strong after NFP, as a result of which DXY responded pretty well, pretty positively, and we were hoping for the market to go up because of the data. And we can see that as per our expectation, DXY is continuing its upside right after the market opening. But as we all know that usually Monday markets are not very volatile, especially during the first half of Monday. There is not much volatility. So we can see that though market is going up, okay, there is not much volume present. But yes, in the coming days, we can expect that we may see DXY above 104.50, and if market breaks 104.50, there is a good possibility that DXY will be continuing the upside. So let's wait and watch. And as per the fundamentals, or if we go by the fundamentals, the short-term trend of dollar index should be towards the upside. And if dollar goes up, then obviously there will be pressure on the chart of gold. Okay, now let's look at the chart of gold. And on Friday, gold made a low of 2027. If we observe the structure of the market here, then we can see the market was bullish because of the structure were higher highs and higher lows. On Friday, not a very significant low, but still gold made a lower low. So I told you guys that the next high of gold will be very important, because if gold forms a lower high, it will be an indication of a trend reversal. Right after the market opening, we can see gold made a lower high right now. So if gold breaks 2027, listen to me carefully. If gold breaks 2027, then yes, it will be a formation of a lower low. And if you're a swing trader, you can go for a short position for the next 2 or 3 days, or at least for this week, because of the structure of the market, there is a possible trend reversal here. Okay, let me repeat again. See, trend reversals are very important, and trend reversals are very powerful also. But the problem with almost every one of us is that, okay, we always try to catch reversal trades, but most of the time we fail to do so, because most of the time we rely on indicators like moving averages, super trend. And the problem is that, see, moving not moving, almost all the indicators, okay, are lagging. Okay, and indicators are dependent on price, and price is independent. So most of the time we do not get proper results. But yes, to identify trend reversal, to some extent, the market structure can tell you that yes, finally we are about to have a trend reversal. See, 100% accuracy is not possible. Nobody can do that. Okay, but yes, to some extent, okay, just by observing the price behavior, you can predict a trend reversal. Otherwise, it is impossible to predict the market. So here, because of the fundamentals play a dominant role, or the main role. So we can see that slowly gold is losing strength, and the structure of the market is slowly changing. So if gold forms a lower low, already gold has formed a lower high. If gold forms a lower low, and at the same time, if we also see that DXY is also going up, in that case, you can expect that in the coming days, because of the fundamentals, there may be pressure on gold, and you can go for a sell position as a swing trader. Okay, where you can look for a sell position, you can go for a sell position below 2027 or 2026. You must be wondering, I also have a trend line here, but still I'm telling you that you can go for a sell, because after all, uh, fundamentals will always be above the technicals. So if market breaks the level here, then there's a good chance that yes, market may be going down. But yes, if you want, okay, if you are looking for safety, if you do not want to take impulsive trade, in that case you can avoid right now, because for any breakdown, volume is extremely important. If price is the king, volume is the queen, and without volume there cannot be any breakout or breakdown. In that case, you can wait till US session. Okay, and because if I see a breakout or breakdown at the Asian session, I will also not go for it, because I know it very well that in absence of volume it can turn into a false breakout. If you have a buy and if you're worrying about a next support, then in this type of market condition, usually the support levels do not work much. Okay, and market is full of surprises. So during the day, if market goes up, we can look for selling opportunity around 2046 and 2050. Already we have discussed, this is opportunity number one, this is opportunity number two. And by the US session, if we see market going below 2027 with volume, then also we can look for a sell position below this is our third trading opportunity. And we can see that the structure of the market is changing right now, so it is little bit a crucial point. So do not gamble with your capital and money. Whenever the inner demon, okay, whenever the inner demon will tell you to take the trade, you can make a big amount of money, always think that how much you had to work hard to earn this money. Don't forget it. Okay, and I would also like to request everyone that never trade with money that you have taken as a loan. Okay, most of the time we think that success is just, okay, just about to come. Okay, let me arrange some money. Okay, after that, okay, everything will change, but it is not going to happen. Okay, never trade with loan money. Never take credit from your credit cards. Never swipe credit cards for trading. Okay, I have done all the mistakes. My CIBIL score is still red. Okay, though it's been a long time, but I still regret that there was no one to guide me. But here I'm telling you that, my dear friends, do not trade with the money that you cannot afford to lose, because market is not magic. Okay, if you lose the money, you will not only lose the capital, you will only be left with EMIs. Most of the time we think that trading is the only way to come out of the problem, but when we take a loan and we lose the money, we are already in a problem and we are left with EMIs or monthly installments. Now you guys must be wondering, why am I saying all these things, okay, in the morning? The thing is that I have done many mistakes. Rather, I would say that sins. Okay, sins. You know sins? Okay, path. Okay, I've rather committed many sins in the market, and I don't want you guys to do it, because the world has changed, things have changed. Okay, there are lots of information online, so you should not do this. So the structure of the market is changing. So in the coming days, we may get to see a downside on the chart of gold. So as a result, okay, be careful whenever you'll be taking trades here. And during the day, if you're planning to take a buy position around 2025, 2026, around the trend line, you can go for it, but be careful, because the structure of the market will be very important. Because see, if the trend line works, means at the same time the DXY will be going for retracement. See, retracement or pullback are not permanent, they are temporary. So be careful. You may see a retracement for 1 or 2 hours, and then market will be going up again. So it is always advisable to go with the trend of the market for your own safety. Okay, and right now the trend of the market seems to be towards the downside, because we may have a trend reversal. And if you look at the higher time frames, already we have looked on Friday. Okay, we do not have a clear picture right now, so let's wait and watch. Be careful. Let's wait for the US session. Market may be volatile, so be careful. Do not gamble. Okay, bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.